Good morning, YouTube. I'm just trying to get some lighting in here. Let me see, maybe I can use natural light. Yeah, I think that's probably better off with the natural light. And I'm gonna turn this on here. Well, good morning, YouTubers. I'm up because today I decided to do a collaboration with one of my friends, Michelle. She's a YouTuber, and she has a channel called Day to Day with the Sterlings. You have to check her out. She's really funny, and plus she can cook. So I'm gonna start off by trying to bring some light in this kitchen. I have got to start making me some coffee, and so I'm gonna make some coffee, and from there I'm gonna start making some crepes because I need to wake up first. Now we're gonna start. Just in case you don't know, crepes are French pancakes. They're very thin as opposed to American pancakes. So the ingredients that I have here, I kind of switched it up a little bit because I have coconut flour on hand instead of regular flour. So I also am changing up the milk. So right now I have 1 cup pre-poured of coconut flour, and I changed it up just a little bit because I'm trying to eat a little healthier, so I didn't want to use regular flour. So this is 1 cup of coconut flour. I have 3 eggs. I'm using a pinch of salt. Also using almond milk instead of regular milk. So I'm going to pour in a little while a cup of almond milk. I'm also using cottage cheese in place of the Nutella that she used. I have strawberries and blueberries that I'm going to use, and just going to go from there and see how everything turns out. I'm going to start off by cracking 1 egg, and I'm going to beat the eggs, and then I'm going to add the flour and the egg mixture. And this recipe is very light. I like this recipe. Michelle had a lot of recipes. Oops. I got a piece of eggshell. Sorry. This is okay. I got it. Michelle had a lot of recipes that I wanted to do, but this one right here was for breakfast, and I figured it was really light, so I decided that I'm going to do this one. I'm trying to eat more healthier these days. A lot of the food that I eat is greasy, has a lot of fat, and so I'm just trying to start eating a little healthier. I'm also going to measure boiling for a cup of milk. I decided to change to the electric beater because I have a lot of lumps. I also didn't use as much milk as I thought I was going to use. I only used a half a cup of the 1 cup of milk that I poured. So I think maybe it's probably due to me using coconut flour instead of regular flour. I'm going to leave the ingredients in my description below the video if you're interested in making this. This is just my trowel crepe. I don't know how it's going to come out, but let's see. Well, so far it looks okay, so I'm going to keep my fingers crossed. So far it looks like it's the right consistency because the edges are curling up. So I'm going to flip this to the other side. Yay! I did it. 1 down, 2 more to go. So this is number 3. So I'm going to start off by adding some cottage cheese in the middle, and then I'm going to roll it up. I did one off camera, but this is the second one that I'm doing. One thing I love about crepes is that you can put anything in it. You can put whipped cream if you want to. You could put chocolate. You could put yogurt. You could put fruits. So this is one food that you can do whatever you want with it, and that's why it's so much fun to make these. Okay, so on to my third one. This is my third and final one. I was going to do 4, but I think I'm going to save the other one because I don't think I can eat 4 crepes. I just can't. Okay, so I'm just going to do this one now. I'm putting the last of the cottage cheese, and I'm going to roll it up, and then I'm going to top it off with some fruits. So now to top the crepes. So I was going to use some honey, but I ran out of honey, so I had to put syrup. So this is the only thing that's unhealthy with this breakfast right here. But next time I'll make sure I have honey. So I'm going to drizzle some syrup on it. I wish I had honey. Next time I'll put honey because I wanted to have a healthy breakfast this morning, but I have to use what I have on hand. So I'm using syrup. But anyway, it's still going to be delicious. So I just have to taste a little piece to see what it tastes like. This is delicious. Well guys, these are my delicious crepes, and thanks to Michelle, I was able to recreate her recipe. Well guys, please don't forget to check her out. She's at Day to Day with the Sterlings on YouTube. Thank you again for watching my channel. God bless. See you later. Bye-bye.